Please consider subscribing if this video is very useful to you. Okay, so that's it. So let's try to turn on this printer and you'll see there's an error. Okay, my screen is not so well now. It's Inkbox Full. See troubleshooting in user's guide. So this is the one that we're going to troubleshoot today. And of course, here, in order for us to fix this, we'll go to maintenance. But there is no maintenance here because we have ink, copy, network, print, and machine info. Initial setup. So what are we going to do is that we will press this mono. We'll hold this, and of course, if we hold this like that, okay, hold it firmly, then we will try to remove the power cord. So we remove this power cord while holding down the mono. Lovely. Come on. Okay. So see that? And we'll put it back. Okay, so we will wait until it says that machine error. So when machine error is already here, machine error 46, so we can now release mono. Then what we're going to do next, we will press arrow up and go to number 8. Then we press OK. It shows up maintenance 8. Then now we press again this arrow up and go to 0. That's it. And press OK. Okay, then what it shows there is that 8CA-S39-001. Then we'll press mono here. We'll press mono to select a menu. We will find the purge. There. So we'll keep pressing until we find purge. So page, LM, PC, copy, fax, media, S, X. Let's purge now. Bypass, then purge. That's it. Purge. So after purge, we will press the arrow up again and select number 2. Then press OK. Then go back to purge and then arrow up again. Select number 7. OK. Then arrow up again, select number 8. Then OK. Then arrow up again, select number 3. Then OK. Then machine error 46 appeared again. And what we want to do again is select number 9 using arrow up. Then press OK. Then appears maintenance 9. Then select 9 again by moving arrow up. 9. Okay, there you go. So okay, then it appears maintenance 99. Then afterwards, please wait and we'll wait until the machine will go back to normal. That's it. Now it's in normal mode, so definitely we can print. We can print now, and the blinking error is no longer there. So we'll try to print. Okay, it's still cleaning this. Okay, I'll try to find something here to print. So we'll just try to photocopy. Okay, we'll photocopy with mono. Try. There you go. So it's now photocopying. It's good. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if this video is very useful to you. So then we will make another tutorial for us to be benefited.